Introducing the Waring commercial single and double waffle cone makers. Make up to 60 or 120 waffle cones or bowls per hour. Fast, easy, foolproof. The waffle cone makers have control panels with standby and start buttons, power on and ready to bake indicators, and an adjustable browning control dial. The control panel wipes clean fast, ideal for busy kitchens. Ready-to-bake indicator lights on grid plates are easy to see. Grids rotate 180 degrees to evenly cook waffles. The heavy-duty die-cast base won't tip or move when the handle is turned to rotate the grid. The double waffle cone maker has a shared heating element in the middle, and both models have an embedded heating element in top and bottom to ensure quick and even results. Audible beeps sound when the plates reach baking temperature and when your waffle is ready. Waffle cone forming tools and a bowl mold turn warm baked waffles into perfectly shaped cones or bowls effortlessly. To use the single waffle cone maker, gather ingredients for your batter. Press standby. The red power indicator light will illuminate. Grids take about 5 to 10 minutes to heat up. Plenty of time to mix your batter. 6 audible beeps sound when the grids reach temperature, and the green ready indicator will illuminate. Use the browning control dial to set baking time. Now, open the unit. Spray top and bottom grids with non-stick cooking spray, and drop 3 tablespoons of batter onto the center of the grid. Close and rotate 180 degrees. Press start. The green indicator will blink while the waffle bakes. The waffle cone must be rolled while the waffle is still hot and pliable. When the green indicator light stops blinking and 3 beeps sound, the waffle is fully baked and ready to roll. Rotate the unit and open. Use high-temperature tongs to gently loosen edges and remove the flat waffle. Place on the flat rolling plate with the waffle edge close to the point of the cone mold. Insert the rolling tool. Slowly turn it counterclockwise. Guide the waffle into the cone mold as you turn. Leave the tool in the cone mold for a few seconds while the waffle cools. Bake your next waffle while the cone is cooling. You can remove the cone as soon as it's cool enough to hold its shape. Continue to bake and form cones, up to 60 per hour, with the Waring commercial single waffle cone maker. To double your output, use the double waffle cone maker. The stacked design saves space. The shared center heating element is energy efficient, and you can bake 2 waffles at once. The 2 start buttons and top and bottom grids have their own corresponding green indicator lights. When the green indicator for grid 1 is illuminated, open, spray, add batter, then close, rotate, and press Start 1. Repeat this same process for grid 2. Spray, add batter, then close, rotate, press Start 2. Both lights will blink while waffles bake. When the green indicator light for grid 1 stops blinking and the audible alert sounds, remove the hot waffle and place it on the bowl forming tool. Gently push down and allow to cool. While the waffle bowl cools, start your next waffle in grid 1. Remove the bowl as soon as the waffle is cool enough to hold its shape. When the indicators for grid 2 stop blinking and 6 beeps sound, remove the hot waffle and guide it into the cone mold to form a waffle cone. While the waffle cone cools, bake your next waffle. Continue to bake and form waffle cones and bowls until you have the number you need. up to 120 per hour. Wearing commercial single and double waffle cone makers. Make fresh waffle cones in bowls. Easy, from start to finish.